This is how to make orange cream soda. The cream soda flavor originates from vanilla. To intensify the vanilla and baked sugar flavors, cook vanilla beans with turbinado sugar using sous vide. The sugar becomes liquefied, and when cooled, it is the base flavor to be added to the orange segments.
Zest 3 oranges and cut the top and bottom off of the orange so it sits flat on your cutting board, and cut away the peel. Carefully cut out the orange segments and scale 225 grams of orange segments and the collected juice. Add the zest and scale 60 grams of vanilla sugar over top. Transfer the mixture to a freezer bag, remove the excess air, and seal the bag.
Cook the vanilla sugar into the orange segments and zest in a water bath using an immersion circulator set at 85 degrees Celsius or 185 degrees Fahrenheit, and set a timer for 30 minutes. Transfer the hot bag of syrup to an ice bath to cool before putting the bag in the refrigerator. Allowing the syrup to cool in the refrigerator overnight before straining creates a deeper, longer lasting flavor. Strain the cooked orange segments through a fine mesh sieve into a measuring cup. It is the syrup that we use for the soda pop, so do not worry about forcing all the orange citrus pulp through the screen, because the good stuff has been removed from the pulp when it was cooked and allowed to cool properly. The recipe yield is about 200 milliliters of orange cream soda syrup. Fill a 500 milliliter wide mouth mason jar full of ice and pour 100 milliliters of orange cream soda syrup over top of the ice. Fill the glass with soda water, give the soda a little stir, and serve. All the little vanilla seeds were infused into the syrup and create that noticeable handmade experience.